Guys, with Jeff here again from Wild Game Innovations Australia. I just want to run you through an absolute ball terror of a part of ours, the WGIA dog release system. They got all the stuff we love, all the features we love, guys. Full stainless steel, you can rotate them too, so when the dog's pulling on them, it's got a straight release, which helps the dog release fluently and smoothly, so they never get jammed up or caught up. They got a button on them on the actual unit itself, so you can release them while you're on the back of the ute. So if you walk up to your dog, you can just let the dog go, or you can do it from in the cab of the vehicle. So while we're running through this, guys, we actually have an upgrade kit we've designed for these. So it's called a quick release mount. So this gives you the ability to run, you can buy one or two of them, and you can run them on as many vehicles as you want, plug and play. That's the main feature. You also have the ability, if you've got a work ute or you're a tradie or you're in town and you just don't want them in the weather, which is what we love. We love keeping our parts out of the weather on the bench, and then we use them, we clip them on. You can just take them off and then use them again when you're ready. So I'll give you a look at the quick release system. It's very simple. So if you do want something like this, guys, we're going to have this part on the website as an upgrade kit. And you can purchase as many backing plates as you want. So just say you got 2 releases and you got 3 vehicles, you want 6 backing plates. Vice versa, depending on what you want. So very simple, guys, just comes off like so, and away you go. When you want to start hunting, clip them on, do your bolts up. And I'll give you a look at a few ways that we run these dog releases, guys. There's a lot of ways you can do it. There's a rope that stays mounted on the dog release itself. So when I'm with Boston, for example, when I'm just running around town normally, I just put him on this lead, like so, just let him on and off like that. And then if we're out hunting and we're in hot pursuit after animal, a pig, and I want to let Boston go, if that's on the dog, I just hit the button and the dog release lets go and he just takes that with him. You can also put a little clip on there or a swivel, or you can just run that straight through the eyelet on the dog. So if you want an upgrade kit with your dog releases that you already have, guys, give us a yell or a message and we'll get you sorted. Or if you want a custom kit, so just say there's a few certain things the way you want to set a car up, don't hesitate to give us a call, guys, and we'll do you up a custom job and get these set up to suit the needs of how you want to operate. Thanks again, guys. We'll see you on the next one.